Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Look at these colorful Christmas trees. Let's make it at home. So we are going to make it using pipe cleaner. So bend 5 centimeter pipe cleaner in zigzag way. Similar way we are going to do this with colorful pipe cleaners. Keep it aside now. We are making a cone using brown craft paper. Paste all these colorful pipe cleaners on the top of the cone using hot glue gun. Cover the entire cone. Now we are making different ornaments of Christmas day using these pipe cleaners. We are making a star shape. Similar way, make the stick and put all of them together. Put fairy light, add more pom-pom balls and different other stuff on the top of the Christmas tree. Decorate it like this. We're adding balls as well. Add a bow at the end like this, and look, your colorful Christmas tree is ready for Christmas day. We're going to make these cute snowman at home using pipe cleaners. So first we are going to bend this red pipe cleaner, make the cap of the snowman. Similar way, we're going to add the eyes and muffler as well. Cut all of them and paste it like this, and look, it is ready. You can make more such ornaments at home. Let's make different crafts using pipe cleaners for Christmas day. First we are going to make the Santa Claus here. Keep it aside. Similar way, we are going to make different shapes using pipe cleaner. Put the hat and all other stuff together like this. Here we are going to make the Santa Claus face. So we are making the star shape. Combine all of them together. Its mustache, its eyes, and put all of them on the hairband, and look, your beautiful decor piece is ready. Let's make different easy gifts for your guest. We are going to make all these different ornaments of Christmas day using pipe cleaners. First we are going to make this colorful Christmas tree. Look how we are making here. Put all the balls and look, it's ready. Similar way, you can use it in so many ways. You can make keychain like this and gift it to your guest at your home. You can make this beautiful bow at home using pipe cleaners. Just bend the pipe cleaner like this and cover it like we're doing here. Overlap it over and over again and paste it using hot glue gun. We are also using this sparkle for more decoration, and look, it is ready. Let's make this green color of cactus ornament here. We are going to bend this pipe cleaner like we are doing here. Bend it over and over again. We are going to give it a shape of leaf. You can also cover it like this for the thickness, and look, it is ready. You can use it in so many ways, like for the hairband and for decoration as well. Look at these beautiful hairbands. Let's make it for Christmas day. You can make all of them using pipe cleaners at home. Look at this snowman and Christmas tree, and look, your hairband is ready. You can add pom-pom balls and it's done. Second, you can also put these bow and these Christmas trees on the top of it. Add more flowers and you can make more such different designs and hairbands for Christmas day. We're going to make it using pipe cleaners. Paste the Santa Claus and bow on this circular wreath, and look, it's ready. Add more details like this, and look, it's done. You can use it at hanging as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and share with your friends.